Daryl, and we're on another auto adventure here today at the Marlton Day festivities in downtown Main Street. I'm here with Tom, the owner of Main Street Auto, and we have a car display that really has a little bit of everything. What do you think about that, Tom?
Yeah, this is cool. We got some cool exotic cars here, some classics, as you can see. We're just happy to be part of it and supporting the local community today.
And as far as being a local business in downtown Marlton, people are kind of discovering your business, looking at what you're doing here. But how long have you been in business? Tell me a little bit about it.
Well, so we've been here for 5 years. I've actually been in business about 25 years, in Marlton the whole time. And we moved here because I love this location. We're right in the center of Marlton, and we're able to serve the community better that way by being right here in the center.
Love it. So let's go take a look at some of these cars. I see some American Iron, some classics, some muscle cars, and some exotics. And we'll give you a tour right now.